Quilters are a generous bunch that will make a quilt to mark an event, to soothe an illness, to express art. We come together as a community in times of need, always looking for a reason to give a gift of warmth. Quilters are not sewers, we are creators. We are givers and even artists. We love the process, the legacy, and the accomplishment, but mostly we love the story. Every quilt has one.
I was going to say, hi, my name is Sally and I'm a quiltaholic, but my husband said that wasn't funny because he sees how much I spend on fabric. But anyway, this year, as I retired, I thought I would make all my grandchildren a quilt. So I have 7 grandchildren and I got going on it and tried to get things all done. But I mean 7. I have 5 grandchildren, but I ended up making 7 quilts. That's what it was. So anyway, I didn't know what to do for the little boys in the family because the little girls were easy. You make hearts and just sweet things. And what do you do for little boys? So I asked my sons, who were the dads of the grandkids, they said Minecraft. So one of the grandkids, I made him something else. And then I made this Minecraft quilt for my grandchild in Montana. And I showed a picture of it to my son in Moses Lake. And he goes, oh, we need one of those for Derek. So I've actually made 2 of these. So there's a lesson. If you're going to make something that's popular with the kids and you've got more than one grandchild, make 2, save yourself the hassle. And that's what I had to do. So here is Minecraft quilt number 2. I looked online to see if there were any patterns anywhere to get some ideas because I didn't know what Minecraft was. And I found this site just by plugging into Google Minecraft quilts. And this site came up and every week this gal posted another block. She wanted to be held accountable to get hers finished for her son, and that's why she did this. So I followed her pattern. It was a tremendous amount of fun doing it, but after 2, I don't think I want to do any more right now. Trying to think what else to tell you about it. Oh, each one was a little bit individualized. I called the dads and the moms and asked them, do the grandsons have any favorite Minecraft characters? So each one told me something different. The other one that's already been shipped off to Montana had a llama in it. And this one, apparently my grandson's favorite block is this fella. So I don't even know who he is, but that's the one. So that's my favorite one. The difficult thing with this has to be, how do you quilt it? Because you've got very dark with the black background and very light stuff here. So my first one I did in a khaki color thread, which worked really well here on the black, but it was really too dark on the blocks. So for this one, I just went with a beige white color, and it seemed to work a lot better. The blocks stand out better. So if you go ahead and do it, that's what I would recommend for it. I've got some favorite blocks. I love the pig. I love the cow. And there's another cow over here. And loads of zombie villagers, of course. Yeah, it was just kind of a fun one to do. I've discovered what the greatest compliment is that you can have from a grandchild when you hand them a quilt. My grandson in Montana, who's a senior in high school, he said to me, "You are a badass grandma."
Thank you for watching our video. We invite you to leave a comment, hit the like button, or better yet, subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode. You can also visit our Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or Pinterest pages, or find all of those things and our online store at fabricpatch.net.